and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing a cook with me. Alright, anyways, so today on the menu in the Davis household we're going to be doing spaghetti and fried catfish. Yes, it is a southern staple. And y'all, this is gonna be very interesting because this is my very first time ever, like, okay, I've made fried fish before, but that's back when I lived with my parents and stuff like that. And so yeah, this is my first time ever making like a spaghetti fried fish meal as a wife. So I just thought I'd go ahead and document the situation at hand for you all. Anyways, before we get into it, you know, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you find value in today's video. Which, you know, why wouldn't you? Because, I mean, it's spaghetti and fried fish. So let me show y'all what we're working with. This is the cast iron that I am going to be making the fish in. And I got my little vegetables and everything cut up already. So I got some red onion right here, some red and green bell pepper that I'm going to put in this skillet. Is currently heating up. So I think the skillet is already ready for the vegetables. So we're just going to go ahead and put this all up in the skillet. So I'm using this little rubber spatula. So we're just going to saute these vegetables until they're nice and soft. I want to put a little bit of this minced garlic up in here as well. I got my spoon, got my minced garlic. And when it comes to garlic, you don't need a whole lot, so I'm just going to put this much in. And voila. Alright, y'all. So far, so good. So because I'm a little extra, I just want to kind of season my vegetables a little bit because I really want this meal to be nice and flavorful, just full of flavor, just flavor in every bite. Okay, like that's really what I want. I want this full of flavor. So I'm just gonna go in with just a dab of season. All right, so I'm gonna start in with some accent, a little bit of onion powder, and we'll go in with a little bit of garlic herb seasoning blend by Dash. Mix this in as well. We're gonna let these saute for a few more minutes. And then the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna add the ground beef. Alright. In this pot, I have the noodles starting to boil, I guess. So, I'm gonna take some salt. We like to use the pink Himalayan salt. Don't ask about the bottle, y'all. Just don't ask. Like, for some reason, the bottle, like, melted. And, yeah, this is the result. But, yeah. If you want some salt that's going to last a really long time, I highly suggest this salt, the pink Himalayan salt grinder. It lasts so long. And we also have the, black peppercorn grinder. These last so long, way longer than like the traditional salt and pepper. So I'm just gonna put some of that in there. And now I'm going to add my ground beef. Y'all, to my vegetables. So yeah, I'm really trying to get into like my cooking bag because I'm not gonna lie, before I got married, I was not a huge cook. My husband, he does more of the cooking in our household. So I don't cook that much, but I'm trying to get like more accustomed to cooking because hopefully by the end of the year or by the top of next year, we're gonna start trying for kids. So, you know, if I'm gonna be a mama, you know, I gotta be in my cooking bag, because ain't nobody going to McDonald's and Chick-fil-A every single day. Like, ain't nobody do that. So I'm trying to get more into my cooking bag. Alright, y'all, now here's the fun part. Now we're going to season this ground beef. So I'm gonna go in with my pepper. And again, we get these from Target, not Target, we get these from Kroger. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of salt, not a lot. Accent, because accent just wakes everything up. Gonna go in with the dynamic duo of garlic powder and onion powder. Now we're gonna go in with this garlic herb seasoning blend by Dash. Paprika, like, I like to put paprika in pretty much everything. I don't know, it's just something about it. So gonna go in with a little bit of paprika, and then some Italian seasoning. You gotta add Italian seasoning, y'all, because this is an Italian dish. So, alright, y'all, so we got all the seasoning in, so we're just gonna stir this all together. This is looking good, y'all. This is looking good. My mama would be proud. Shout out to my mom if she's watching this video. Shout out to my mom. Alright, got the noodles. The noodles is doing its thing. Alright, so we're going to just let the rest of this just cook in the skillet. Then I'm going to let these noodles come to a boil, and we'll be back. Okay, you guys, so this is almost done cooking. This meat is almost done. I still see a little bit of pink here and there. I don't want to overcook the meat. So I'm going to be turning this eye down very soon. The next step with our spaghetti making process, with these noodles still cooking and everything, I'm going to add in the sauce. So, and I want to add just a little swig of the Sweet Baby Ray's. If you know, you know. So, just wanted to give y'all a little update. This seems just about done. Now I'm going to put the tomato paste in, and I have the Rayo's homemade roasted garlic sauce. So we're going to use this as our sauce. I really want to turn this up just a little bit. We can get a boil going on, get this on over and done with, because we still got to start on the fish. Alright, so y'all see how my husband just labeled the freaking fish? June 6, 2023 catfish. He's so cute. Oh my god. So I'm gonna let this thaw, y'all. Now, I did not set the catfish out a few hours ago to let it thaw. And whenever you're in a situation like mine where your meat has not thawed out, just put it in a sink full of hot water and it'll thaw very quickly that way. Alright, we got the tomato paste, we got the sauce going on. So now I'm just going to mix it all together and let it all just kind of simmer and marinate together with this meat. My noodles are finally boiling. Yay! This is looking and smelling good already. I'm so excited to try this. I really am. So I'm gonna let these noodles cook a few more minutes. Then we're gonna add the noodles in and let it all just marinate together. And our spaghetti will be finished. All right, y'all. Looks like the noodles are ready. All right, y'all. So gonna go ahead and transport these beautiful noodles onto my sauce. And see, my problem has always been I tend to make too much of something. So I think I've made just enough for me and my husband. Hopefully. Because I always make too much of something. And then, like, when we try to do, like, leftovers, we barely eat the leftovers. And, you know, it's just an overall waste of food. So I'm just trying to make just enough. Like, there's no sense in being like, oh, yeah, let's make plenty of leftovers. Alright, y'all. Okay. I think I got it, y'all. I think I got it. I'm so excited. I really am. Alright, y'all. So let me show y'all what we're working with. Alright, y'all. So this is what we're working with these days. This is looking good. This is looking good. This is so simple, y'all. Very simple recipe. Alright, now I'm all set up for my fish fry. I got the cast iron skillet going. You know. I believe every household needs at least one cast iron skillet because, I mean, it's just something about cast iron skillets. They literally do everything. Like, you just can't go wrong with cast iron skillets. So anyways, my fish is almost done thawing out, so I'm going to transport my fish on over to here so I can season it all up. I got my fish breading all ready to go, and yeah, we're almost done with today's cook with me video, y'all. I'm so proud of myself. Like, I'm so proud of this spaghetti. Like, I tasted it and it was missing something. And what it was missing was the barbecue sauce. So I put a little bit of barbecue sauce up in there. And y'all. Alright, so at times I forget that I'm recording a video because I've literally gotten my fish. I have seasoned my fish up. I've gotten my breading all together. I didn't even breaded one of my fish fillets already, y'all. Like, I ain't gonna lie, I low-key forgot about y'all. So this is the easiest way to batter fish, chicken, anything like that, pork chops, whatever. Just put it in a bag and just go about it like that. So since I had started this fillet off camera, it's already nice and breaded. So I'm just gonna put it on this little plate here. Like, am I the only one who gets anxiety about cooking for other people? Like, I get so nervous because it's like what I deem good, somebody else may not deem good, you know? So I always get nervous every time I cook for other people. Always. You see, when I lived back at home with my parents, the main thing I would fry would be like pork chops or something like that. And to me, like, pork chops are just so easy. So, and I'm sure some people will be like, well, fish is just as easy. But it's like, if you're not used to something, it can seem to be a challenge. So I'm trying to get used to cooking for my husband, and I always be so nervous if he likes it or not, and, you know, stuff like that. And I ain't gonna lie, I've had a lot of cooking fails. But you know what? You live to cook another day. So that's what we're doing. We're living to cook another day. And it's like, I'm not even used to cooking with fish breading, like official fish breading. I've always used like cornmeal when it came to like breading my fish. So that's another new thing I'm doing today. So I'm getting used to it, y'all. This is what the fish is looking like. All right, it's looking good so far. So far, so good. All right, y'all. So let's try this. Let's try this. I hope this oil is ready. Ew. And it is. Just gonna scoop this over a little bit. And y'all, this is just a little tip. Make sure you're cleaning as you're cooking, okay? Clean as you cook. Make your life easier, all right? Clean as you cook. Wash dishes as you cook. Stuff like that. It just makes everything 10 times easier. Alright, so got the first little batch of fish out. So I'm gonna try it. Just gonna grab this part because some of it kind of fell apart, but you know, it's not my fault. It's good. It's good. Alright, y'all, so I am now done. So this batch came out a lot better than this one, obviously, but for it to be my first time as a wife, I think it turned out pretty good. I got the spaghetti right here, so this turned out real good. I'm finna eat. Yes, ma'am. I'm so excited. I'm finna go ahead and end this cook with me on off, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you enjoyed today's video, hit that bell so you can stay updated every time I upload a new video. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.